In this video, we're going to look at an overview of the Cleanup Links and Bookmarks tool in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. So what is this tool? It checks every link and bookmark for various problems and performs a user-specified cleanup operation. When would you use it? You would use it to automatically inspect PDFs and remove links to missing files or pages, links without assigned actions, and convert absolute path references into relative. To use the tool, click Plugins in the upper menu, then Links, then Cleanup Links and Bookmarks. In this window, we have a variety of cleanup operations, ranging from convert absolute file references into relative, delete link annotations without assigned actions, delete link annotations pointing to missing files or pages, delete bookmarks pointing to missing files or pages, and show processing reports in External Viewer. Select your desired boxes, then click OK. The tool checks every link and bookmark for various problems and performs a user-specified cleanup operation. It then creates a detailed link report. Optionally, save or print the cleanup report. Learn more and download the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat at evermap.com.